I told him the truth. ما هغه ته رښتیا وویل. I told him the truth. I gave him money. ما هغه له پیسې ورکړې. I gave him money. I heard him singing. ما هغه په سندره ویلو واورېدو. I heard him singing. Don't tell him. هغه ته مه وایه. Don't tell him. Give it to him. دا هغه له ورکړه. Give it to him. Help him please. مهرباني وکړه. د هغه مدد وکړه. Help him please. Call him now. هغه ته اوس فون وکړه. Call him now. Follow him. هغه تعقیب کړه. Follow him. Wait for him. د هغه انتظار وکړه. Wait for him. یا تاسو ویلی شئ wait for him. هغه ته انتظار وکړه. Wait for him. Listen to him. د هغه خبره واوره. Listen to him. Believe him. په هغه یقین وکړه. Believe him. I miss him. ما ته هغه یادیږي. I miss him. I will find him. زه به هغه وګورم. I will find him. His name is Ali. د هغه نوم علی دی. His name is Ali. His father is a doctor. د هغه پلار طبیب دی. His father is a doctor. طبیب یعنی ډاکټر. His mother is kind. د هغه مور مهربانه ده. His mother is kind. His house is big. د هغه کور لوی دی. His house is big. یا تاسو ویلی شئ His house is big. د هغه کور غټ دی. His house is big. His car is new. د هغه موټر نوی دی. His car is new. His bag is heavy. د هغه بسته درنه ده. His bag is heavy. His phone is lost. د هغه فون ورک شوی دی. His phone is lost. His friend is smart. د هغه ملګری هوښیار دی. His friend is smart. His clothes are dirty. د هغه جامې سخا دي. His clothes are dirty. His book is on the table. د هغه کتاب په میز پروت دی. His book is on the table. His shoes are old. د هغه پایزار زاړه دي. His shoes are old. His school is far. د هغه مکتب لري دی. His school is far. مکتب یعنی سکول. His teacher is good. د هغه استاذ ښه دی. His teacher is good. His work is perfect. د هغه کار بهترین دی. His work is perfect. His idea is great. د هغه خیال بهترین دی. His idea is great. His handwriting is neat. د هغه لیکایي صفا ده. His handwriting is neat. His dog is barking. د هغه سپی غاپي. His dog is barking. His time will come. د هغه وخت براشي. His time will come. His voice is sweet. د هغه आवाज خوږ دی. His voice is sweet. His dream came true. د هغه ارمان رښتیا شو. His dream came true. His bike is fast. د هغه موټر سایکل تیز دی. His bike is fast. His hair is black. د هغه ویښته تور دی. His hair is black. His eyes are blue. د هغه سترګې ودې دي. His eyes are blue. His hand is injured. د هغه لاس خوږ دی. His hand is injured. His shirt is dirty. د هغه کمیس خا دی. His shirt is dirty. His room is clean. د هغه کمره صفا ده. His room is clean. His heart is pure. د هغه زړه صفا دی. His heart is pure. His job is difficult. د هغه کار سخت دی. His job is difficult. His friend helped me. د هغه ملګری ما سره کومک وکړو. His friend helped me. کومک وکړو یعنی مدد وکړو. His behavior is good. د هغه رویه ښه ده. His behavior is good. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.